Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you two fuses to check when the radio is not working. The first one is the radio fuse, which is located in the fuse box under the hood. Make sure to check the diagram on the back of the lid, since components can vary by model. Alright, so here's the inside of the box. The radio fuse is located on the top left, and here it is up close. I'll have a separate video showing how to check fuses that will be linked up in the cards. If the radio fuse is good, then there's one more fuse to check which can also cause the radio to stop working, and it's located in the interior fuse box, which is found under the dashboard on the driver's side. The fuse is labeled ACC, it's a low profile mini fuse, and I'll have a link to replacement mini fuses in the video description. When replacing fuses, make sure the new fuse has the proper amperage rating, and if it blows again right away, the car should be taken in for repair. If you liked the video, please make sure to press the like button. Your support is really appreciated. Thanks for watching.